Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. As the weather gets cold, it's time to make some delicious soup to warm up our bodies. We are making a pork rib soup with daikon and shiitake mushroom today. For the pork ribs, we are going to cut them into small pieces. Soak in cold water for half an hour to help get rid of the blood in the bones. Then we are going to pre-cook the ribs, starting with cold water, with some ginger, Sichuan peppercorn, and rice wine to help remove the bloody smell. While the ribs are pre-cooking, we are going to soak up some dry shiitake mushroom. We also need to prepare some more gingers and scallions for making the soup. After pre-cooking the ribs for a few minutes, drain them and wash them clean. Put the clean ribs into a soup pot. Add gingers and scallions. Turn to medium-high heat. Put on the lid and boil for 30 minutes. We're going to add the mushrooms and cook for another 15 minutes. There is a Chinese saying that eat daikon in the fall is better than eating ginseng. That's because daikon is nutritious and can help balance the qi in your body as the weather temperature goes from warm to cold. We're going to peel the daikon and chop it into chunks. We're going to add the daikons into the soup, then season the soup with some salt and white peppers. Don't put too much seasoning in right now, as you can always add them later on when eating. Boil for another 20 minutes or so till the daikons are tender and ribs meat can fall off the bones. You can eat the soup as it is or use it as the broth for noodles. Hope you will enjoy this simple and delicious soup when it's cold outside. Thank you for watching. See you next time.